on the other hand, this one is kind of small, as you can see, but they both are valuable. But price wise, if I tells you, you're gonna be surprised. So this one is about 30 euros. I don't know how much in dollars, maybe it's like $32, or like that's in euros, 30 euros. And this one is expensive. I don't know why as compared to this one. This one is like 51 euros. In dollars might be more like 55 or 56 dollars. It depends. You can check online, but I'm attaching the links for both of these docking stations in the video below. You can check it out and check the delivery option in your country, wherever you're watching this video from. But I think I like, to be honest, from my opinion and price wise, this one is the best to get than this one. First is cheaper, second is more compact and more nice and goes easily in your laptop. Your laptop can easily go on top. You can work away, and you can plug all the devices on the back here like that, and your HDMI and all those